Hi, I'm Lior from Full Conceal, and we have lots of new products that we've released this year. Last year we came out with our M3D based on the Glock 19. It's done really well for us. Lots of people have really loved it. We've actually upgraded now to the Gen 4. Last year was on the Gen 3. About halfway through the year, we've had demand. People start asking for the M3S, the single stack. This is based off the Glock 43, and it comes with a 10-round magazine. Operation is the same. That's it. You could already have one in the chamber, and you're good to go with 10 rounds. 11 rounds, I should say. What we're actually premiering right now for SHOT Show is this aluminum lower of our own design. It'll accept any Gen 4, but we also have it for Gen 3 and Gen 5 as well. Folds up just like our other pistols. And this will be ready end of February, beginning of March.
You know what the MSRP is going to be on that?
MSRP on this will be $399.
We can't count them.
This has just been flying off of our shelves. We can't keep this in stock. Everyone has just absolutely fell in love with our collaboration with CAA, and this is our newest edition. This is the MCK Viper. Folds out and down, and now you got yourself that's 33 round fun stick with your 34th round in there, and you could keep your optic on it when it's folded.
What's the MSRP on this?
MSRP on this is $14.99, and it comes with the pistol inside of it. Let me show you how that works. So you pull that out, and it is actually just our
red dot on it, flip up, white label,
and it goes right in.
So what else can I ask?
Ready to go, fold back up?
Ready to go. This is actually my backpack gun. I put a little optic on there and keep it like that in my backpack.